Alright, I'm going to be showing you how I did this splatter paint on this Del Sol. I'm going to be using the gas cap as an example because I haven't done that yet. So take your gas cap, or take your car, sand it. First step, so I haven't sanded this yet. Let me go ahead and sand it. Alright, most of the time I would tell you to prime it next. But I'm actually out of primer, and this is a very small piece, so I don't really mind. Especially since what I'm using has paint and primer. So I mean, you don't have to, but I would recommend it. I'm just being lazy and broke, so I'm going to go ahead and start on the base coats. And notice I'm using flat black, even though my final product is going to be glossy. So make sure you get all of it. Probably should have went with the lighter coat so it doesn't run, but I'm going to go ahead and let that dry for a minute. Then I'm going to pick it up and do these edges and do another coat on the top. So, see you in a second. Alright, so you can see that I have all the pieces that I need to splatter done. So what you're going to need is you're going to need the cap, some gloves, if you care about getting messy, but I mean, it's not really needed. Adjust the camera here. You're going to need the cap, gloves. You're going to need whatever secondary color you're using. I'm using this cherry red from Rust-Oleum. And here's how you do it. Take the cap off, make sure your paint's mixed up real good. Then you spray into the cap, and then use the cap to sling on the paint. Ah, shit. Well, I'm gonna have to redo that, but that's it. Alright, once you have everything dries, now you're going to take clear coat. I'm using gloss clear. You want to do your first layer kind of light because it can wrinkle the spray paint. But as you can see, it really makes the black pop. Alright, so there's that.